Hi, so this video will cover how oat milk is beating dairy, how cafes are picked to sell oat milk, how it's packed in the factory, and how the CEO is driving sales, and much more. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, I'm Dhwani, back again with a video, and this one's a very interesting one. I'm with the founder of Dancing Cow, an interesting name. So I have Arohi Surya with me today.
Hello everyone. Hi. So Dancing Cow is a plant-based dairy brand, and thanks to Dhwani, I will be able to showcase you what I'm going to do today. It's going to be an interesting day filled with some meetings, some brainstorming sessions, and a lot of email replies and customer replies. So stay tuned.
Yeah.
Okay, so my day starts with finding the relevant cafes in a particular city. So today I'm going to start with Chennai, and what all cafes would use oat milk, make a list of them and send the list to my sales manager so that he can call and we can convert them for samples.
I have a question.
Sure.
So I saw like on Zepto, it's a 267 rupee 1 liter pack, and like an Amul or a Mother Dairy one is 1 liter 62 rupees something.
Right.
So how do you convince the restaurant or the cafe to purchase your oat milk?
Absolutely. So I would say a lot of people are figuring their allergies and they're coming to know that they're already lactose intolerant. So the shift is happening very organically. So people have been wanting lactose-free drink or vegan drink and moving away from dairy. The shift is slow, but it is happening in metro cities. So cafes themselves have been wanting to try different brands of oat milk. Basically, they want to try plant-based milk so that they can cater to a larger audience who have been asking for such milk options. And regarding the money, I would say that the production cost is so high to produce oat milk or any vegan milk in such a small quantity. That's the reason why we have to meet certain MOQs, and the production costs become very high because we have to fulfill MOQs of 3 different facilities. One is production, the other one is filling, the third one is shipping. So every one has MOQs and every facility adds on pricing on top of the milk. So that's the reason our production cost is so high, and I wouldn't say the dairy company's name, but they're mass producing for billions of people. So obviously they have their own facilities and the cost of production it becomes very small for them. So in the near 10 years, 15 years down the line, I can see that we can probably match dairies of the world. But as of now, it's just the economies of scale. Okay, so basically right now what I'm doing is, when I have to come up with new cafes, I do 2 things. For example, if I just type, I went to Zomato and my location is Mumbai, I just type coffee, and I'll also do this for matcha. See what all cafes are trending in Bandra when it comes to coffee. So just note down every cafe name in my list. Then comes the hard part, getting their numbers, right? So competitors don't follow this. So I go to Instagram. For example, I'll do this, not the third waves, but Mori Cafe. So I'll go to Instagram, I'll search Mori Cafe and see. Sometimes they mention the numbers of founders. So 80% of the time we've seen that founders or the people in decision-making roles have the numbers in Instagram. So we call them, I put the number here, I'll put the email here, the name of the cafe, and then done. All we have to do is to contact them. Just joining, Simran, I'm so sorry. Okay. So basically they are a brand, they do I think organic sugar. So they want to collaborate together on the web, so they want to create a bundle and sell it together. ये last month की बात हुई थी, yeah यही बात है. Thanks for AI to summarize all the conversation. Yeah, hi Simran, sorry for joining late. How are you?
How are you?
I'm good. How have you? I think it's very doable, and all we need is I think the finance bit now.
Yeah.
Like how do we price it, and how the payment structure will work, and what all cities we'll be launching it in.
Actually,
So we have a warehouse in Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Pune, Hyderabad, and now in Chennai. We individually ship the products to these warehouses. Once they receive it, and then they fulfill it on the same day. So since we'll be sending it to Delhi, we can just do Delhi and NCR same day. Or if anyone else is ordering, we can ship it within 3 to 5 days also.
and what is the third party called?
Yeah.
So it's completely different from what Shiprocket is.
Completely different, yeah. So Zippy is a same-day fulfillment partner. So they also do our quick commerce fulfillment. Pricing is slightly different than Shiprocket. We also use Shiprocket for tier 2 cities, but Zippy is it's completely different. So they are a smart warehouse system. So we basically have integrated our website with them. So as and when the pin code is qualified, it goes to their platform, and then from there they pick it up and yeah, same day delivery works. Sometimes it doesn't, so it's delivered the next day because these days rains.
India, we cannot expect.
Yeah. So in contract also they've given us a 20% buffer. So I think they are well within the buffer. It is pretty good. So this cafe owner wants to have one event in Bangalore. It's a very new cafe. He said so he wants to do some sort of pop-up that drives people to the cafe. So he's asking for ideas. So I'm giving him some ideas. So I gave him that sip and paint wala idea, but he said will we not need artists to host that event? But we don't, right? So I'm just telling him that you don't need an artist to host a sip and paint event. So you can see these 3 websites have backlinked our blog. So this means that the more websites refer you, the better your ranking is on Google. I mean, it takes time, but as of yesterday, these 3 new websites have given us a backlink. So a lot of companies, they pay the PR companies to do their SEO. It gets very expensive, but if you're trying to save money, you have to work really hard to get those backlinks. So I would say in a day 2 to 3 hours would go just researching these kind of website who can give you backlinks. You have to approach them, give them a good quality article for them to publish, and if they are fine, I mean if they like the article, then they publish. So if you approach 100 such websites, only 3 to 4 such websites would come back to you. So yeah, it's a very tedious process, but yeah, if you're trying to save money, then this is the I would say process. तो जो उसने बोला था हमने जो एक्सपेंस इंक्रीज़ किया था मार्केटिंग में, उसके बाद हमने शीट उससे शेयर करी है कि नहीं करी है?
आई थिंक करी है।
उसको इशू किस चीज़ में है? जस्ट बिकॉज एबिटा बहुत हाई है इसलिए।
एक बार बैठते हैं इस पर प्रॉपरली।
आई थिंक दिस इज़ द ओनली थिंग पेंडिंग, अदरवाइज एवरीथिंग इज़ फाइन। सारा ग्रुप